Hello and welcome. In this session, we'll explore the essentials of mobile communications, from device types to key technologies, and understand their impact on businesses and society. By the end, you'll gain a clear understanding of mobile communications and their practical benefits. Mobile communication devices vary widely, each serving unique purposes. Smartphones, tablets, and feature phones are common examples. Understanding their differences is crucial for effective communication. Smartphones offer advanced features, while feature phones focus on basic functions. Tablets provide a middle ground with larger screens and more capabilities. The 3rd of February 2004, 05. Each mobile device type boasts distinct features. Smartphones integrate cameras, GPS, and internet access. Tablets offer larger displays for media consumption. Feature phones prioritize battery life and durability. Understanding these features helps in choosing the right device for your needs. Modern mobile devices have transformed communication. They enable instant messaging, video calls, and social media interaction. Businesses leverage them for remote work and collaboration. Their versatility enhances productivity and connectivity. Evaluating their usage reveals significant societal impacts. Mobile devices rely on various transmission technologies. These include GSM, CDMA, and LTE. Each technology offers unique advantages in speed and coverage. Understanding these technologies aids in optimizing communication. They form the backbone of mobile connectivity worldwide. Standards and protocols ensure seamless communication. They define how devices connect and interact. Common standards include 3G, 4G, and 5G. Protocols like TCP, IP enable data exchange. Evaluating these standards highlights their role in global connectivity. Wireless mobile technologies revolutionize businesses. They enhance communication and data access. Employees can work remotely with ease. Companies benefit from increased flexibility and efficiency. These technologies drive innovation and competitiveness. Mobile devices have become workplace essentials. They facilitate communication and collaboration. Employees use them for scheduling and task management. Mobile apps enhance productivity and workflow. Assessing their benefits reveals their importance in modern work environments. Mobile technologies impact social interactions. They enable constant connectivity and communication. However, they also raise privacy concerns. Social media and messaging apps influence relationships. Evaluating these implications is crucial for understanding societal changes. Legal issues arise with mobile technology use. Privacy and data protection are major concerns. Regulations govern data collection and sharing. Companies must comply with legal standards. Understanding these implications helps navigate the legal landscape. Prolonged mobile device use raises health concerns. Eye strain and posture issues are common. Overuse may impact mental well-being. Balancing usage is crucial for health. Discussing these implications promotes awareness and healthier habits. Writing a professional report requires attention to detail. Use clear headings and subheadings for structure. Adhere to word limits and formatting guidelines. Ensure content is original and properly referenced. A well-crafted report enhances credibility and understanding. Harvard referencing is essential for academic integrity. It involves citing sources in text and in a reference list. Use author date format for citations. Ensure all sources are credible and relevant. Proper referencing avoids plagiarism and supports arguments. Plagiarism undermines academic honesty. Always acknowledge sources of information. Use quotation marks for direct quotes. Paraphrase and summarize appropriately. Understanding plagiarism helps maintain integrity in your work. Follow submission guidelines carefully. Ensure the report is in the correct format. Check for spelling and grammar errors. Submit before the deadline to avoid penalties. Proper submission reflects professionalism and attention to detail. Utilize available resources for report writing. Online tools can aid in research and formatting. Refer to academic journals and ebooks for information. Use editors to enhance clarity and coherence. These resources support effective and efficient report creation. Review your report thoroughly before submission. Ensure all sections are complete and accurate. Verify references and citations for correctness. Make necessary revisions for clarity and flow. A polished report demonstrates diligence and expertise. In conclusion, mobile communications touch every part of our lives, from the devices we use to their impact on our health. By understanding these elements, we can harness technology more effectively and make informed choices. Equip yourself with this knowledge to navigate the ever-evolving mobile landscape with confidence. Should you have any questions, you're welcome to message us on WhatsApp at 07484361688. See you at the next session. Thank you for your time.